Are you feeling annoyed about the sound from your chain and you're not able to get new set of chain and sprocket due to the late restock at your store? My name is Leander Dominic and today I'm going to show you how to cut your chain of your Honda Hornet. Welcome to Linear Dynamic Garage. Before we get started, make sure you like my video and subscribe my channel. Tools required for chain cutting. Spanners of size 19, 24, 13 and 12. Plier, grinding machine, safety gloves and face shield. You got your tools ready, let's get the show on drawn. Step 1. Loosing of axial wheel bolt and chain. With the help of two spanners of size 19 and 24, loose the axial bolt. And after that, with spanner size of 12 and 13, reduce the chain tension. Step 2. Clean the chains. With diesel, clean the chain properly. Step 3. Unlock the lock link. One of the links in the chain is the lock link. It looks like this. With the help of plier, open the link. Step 4. Cut the link. This is a crucial point. You only have to cut one link, not more than that, and never cut the lock link. Step 5. Lock the chain and lube. Now lock the lock link and lube the chain with oil or grease or chain lube. Step 6. Tightening the axial chain bolt. After you lock the lock link, adjust your chain according to your required tension with help of spanner size of 12 and 13. Then you tighten the axial wheel bolt with the help of spanner of size 24 and 19. What you see is just a temporary solution. You won't cover as much as kilometers as you get when you replace a new set of chain and sprocket. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified my latest videos.